In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in New York City, 2026. First, make sure you have the right kind of ticket for online payment. In New York City, most moving violations are handled by the Traffic Violations Bureau, often called the TVB, which is part of the State Department of Motor Vehicles. You can pay online if your ticket shows TVB on it, is already in the system, and is still open and unpaid. This guide does not cover parking tickets, red light, or speed camera notices, or any criminal charges such as DUI. Those follow different processes and can't be paid through the TVB portal. If your notice doesn't say TVB, stop here and check the correct agency before proceeding. Next, head to the official New York State DMV page for paying or pleading your NYC traffic ticket. Use only the official government site to avoid fees or scams from third parties. If you're typing it into a browser, look for the secure padlock and the state website address, or use the link provided by an official government source. Once you're on the page, enter the information to locate your ticket. The fastest option is your ticket number exactly as it appears. If you don't have it handy, you can search using your full name, date of birth, and gender. And you can also include your DMV ID or driver's license number to narrow results. Double check spelling and numbers. Even small typos can prevent the system from finding your case. If nothing comes up, the ticket may not have posted yet, so try again later or verify the details on your paper notice. When your ticket appears, choose how you want to proceed. Selecting pay means you are pleading guilty, paying the fines, fees, and surcharges now, and closing the case immediately. This option is final, so review the violation details before you continue. If you prefer to contest the ticket, choose plead not guilty to schedule a hearing online instead. That will set a date and keep the case open until it's resolved. If you're paying today, move to checkout. You can use a debit or credit card and other accepted online methods shown on the screen. Carefully review the total, which includes any surcharges, and confirm your billing information. Avoid refreshing the page while the payment is processing. After submission, you'll receive a confirmation number on screen and, in many cases, a confirmation email. Save a screenshot or download any receipt the site offers and keep that confirmation number for your records. It's your proof of payment and can be helpful if you need to verify the status later. That's it. Simple, secure, and done online. Thanks for watching and take